Hello everyone, my name is Helen Chen and I'm so excited to share that I've created a 30-day artist workout series with Schoolism. Hang out with me while we tackle doing film studies from some of my favorite movies, ranging from 30 minutes to an hour. As a visual development artist for feature animation, one of the areas I love to learn about is the process and thinking behind filmmaking, not just focusing on honing my illustration skills. In these workouts, we'll be breaking down the principles of design, color, light, and composition as it relates to film and storytelling. The best way to learn the language of film is to dissect the choices that were made. So not only are we going to be training our artistic application with these workouts, we will be taking a broader look at the unique approach to cinematic design these movies take, and how we can apply similar thought processes to our own work. Each workout will consist of a reference image, a sketch to get you guys started, and the final Photoshop file of my work to help as reference points for your own work. I really hope you check out the series and take on this 30-day challenge, and I can't wait to paint with you.